everyone, welcome back to the channel. I want to welcome my old subscribers as well as my new subscribers. Welcome, welcome, welcome. And if you have not already done so, hit that subscribe button and join the Deals with Lady P family. I would love to have you. And don't forget to hit that notification button that you'll be notified of all the videos as they come out. So today's video, I have a Goodwill haul that I picked up a couple items. It's not many items, but it's from two different Goodwills, but I'm so excited and sharing with you. So the first item I want to go over is these earbuds or earphones from Apple. Now I saw these as I first walked into Goodwill. They was over to the right into the glass counter that they have that's locked up. And I noticed there was two of them, and you know, you could kind of tell Apple. And I looked over there and I said, wow. I said, is those apples? So my sister said to me, ask the guy at the counter to open it up. So I went over there and I asked the guy, and he took them out, and of course we seen the apple. They were brand new. It was two of them brand new with the wrapper, everything. And they were only, you know, they don't have a price on, but they were only $5. And it just so happened, I was just saying that I had lost a couple of, I had like 3 different pairs of earphones that I used to wear around my neck. And both of those went on me. One was mine, that went, then my daughter gave me hers, and that went. And so I was down to my speakerphone. So I was just saying, I said, you know what, I want to go ahead and get me some decent earphones, because I had picked up some from Five Below and I still didn't like the sound coming out. So I said, you know, I'm just going to go ahead until I could get the real nice ones to go in the ear from Apple. I said, I'm just going to go ahead and just pick up some. At least I had some at home that I could plug in. I like the wireless, but I said at least I had some at home that I could listen to. So I couldn't believe I walked in and found these. And the other day, I had them on my ear, and they was wrapped around here, and I kind of cracked them. They still work, but they are cracked. I said, oh, I can't believe this. And they had 2 of them, and I only got the one, and somebody else was in there trying to get the other one, but my sister said, I'm going to take the other one. So she took the other one, and but they still work. And that was only $5. And I know these run between $24 and $29. Last time I checked, it was about $24. I think it's up to about $29. But I was so happy to get these, and I'm glad they work. I hate that I stepped on, but they still work. But that is the first item, which was real blessing, because I really needed some earphones. And the next item I'm going to share with you is this. That's from the same one. I'm going to stick to the same Goodwill. Yeah, I'm going to stick to the same Goodwill. And these items is some blue, like little glasses. They're almost like a goblet, but I have the goblets from Dollar Tree, the navy blue, and these are much smaller. So these are really cute, and they were 6 for $5.25. So I purchased 6 of them. So those will go in my china closet with the other navy blue. I purchased 6. And I unwrapped them already, because actually this is the second time I'm doing this video. So I unwrapped them. So I got 6 of those, and those are really pretty, and they'll go in my china closet with the navy blue. And then the same store, same Goodwill, my sister, matter of fact, my sister seen these. I went to the right side and looked at the apple, and she had went over there to the left, and she said, Pearl, look at these. And I'm like, oh yeah, I got to get those. 6 for $5. I said, yeah, I got to get those. And then in the back of the store, she picked out these. She seen these napkin rings, and these are gold and navy blue. They're really pretty. And they buy, it says Galaxy Fine Porcelain by Sakura, made in Indonesia. and they are really nice, fine porcelain. And they she picked out these, and there were 4 of them, and the price was only one pack for $3.25. And I said, boy, I wish they had another pack. I said, you know, I hate to get 4, but I'm definitely going to get them, you know, and just mix match them, you know, with the heads of the table. So I said, oh boy, it'd be nice if I had 6 of them though. And so we just standing there, and I just happened to look over in the top of the shelf, and I picked up another pack. So I was happy. Now I got 8 of them. So this is more than enough that I need. And this one was also one for $3.25. So I was really pleased with that. I think they really are nice. And it says holiday dinnerware. So I guess this is after Christmas, a week ago. So it says holiday dinnerware on them. So these are really nice. And I am really happy to get these. And that is, I think that is all I got from that store. Seemed like I got something else, but that is all I got from that Goodwill. And then the other day, I was going in to look for a picture frame. So I'm looking for a picture frame. Still haven't done my vision board. And I'm looking for a picture frame to do that. So I went into this Goodwill on my way home, and I saw this on the shelf just passing by. And I thought this was, of course, you know, it's blue and white. So, you know, I had to get that. And there's a little small picture. And I don't have one this size that that's as a picture, as a vase. So I thought that was really cute. And this was $135. This is $143.25. And I just picked up this and just ran out and got that. So I had to get this, but this is really pretty. You know, that goes with my collection. And then what I really want to show you is this. Last week went to another Goodwill, and this was amazing. And this, I really do need your help on these. But I picked up some, went in the store, and I don't think I had got anything. I would had to get something though. I don't know what it was. I don't know what it was, but I know I was in line. I think it was a piece of clothing. Because me, my mom, and my sister was in there. And we were in line, and my sister said, Pearl, the man getting ready to put some lanterns out. And I looked over, she said, go ahead over there while I pay for my stuff. So I went over there to the guy, and I said, oh, how much are those? And he said $9.99. And I said $9.99 for 3? And he said, yeah, I think so. So I said, okay. So I took all, and you know, I said, I get them. And I took all 3 of them to the register. When I got to the register, the man at the register said, he said, no, they're not $9.99 for 3. They're $9.99 a piece. I'm like, no, I don't want $9.99 a piece. So I paid for the one. I said, well, I'll just get the big one. And the guy said there was half price. He said it'd be $5. I said, oh, my sister, I didn't know it was half price. On Wednesday it says half price. And she said, I thought it was just half price on clothing. He said, no, it's half price on everything in the store on Wednesdays. So so he told me that they were $5. So I said, oh, okay, I'll just get the big one. And I says, you know, for $5, I'll just get the big one. I'm not going to pay, you know, $15 for all of them. So I said, well, I'll just get the big one. And I paid for the big one. And as I was leaving the cash register, I had paid for them and everything. The guy that was putting them out, he came, miss. He said, here go the other 2. They are $9.99 for all 3. I said, oh yes, thank you. And I said, thank you for coming back. And he said, the other guy didn't know it. He said, and I knew, like a lot of times they had like 1 for 6 or 2 for 4 or how many, like that was, what, 6 for 20, $6.25. Normally they have it, but they didn't have 1 for $9.95. They didn't have it like that. They just had the $sign. But these lanterns are really cute, but I need your help because I really don't like the color. So I hope that you can share and help and kind of let me know what. I really would like gold or either white, but I really don't like the brown. But this is the smaller one, and They have ivory in all of them except the large one. And they all come with a LED candle. This is the LED candle. And I don't know why I had this one working, but it's not working now. But this one was working. And then they have the ivory in all of them. The little small ivory on this one. And the back of them, I'm going to wash them down and clean them up. But I really want to change the color. And I'm not that good on DIYs. I'm learning them, but I'm not great on them. So I really don't want to mess it up. But I definitely would like to change it. So this one, they had that hooked in there like that. But this is a small one. And then I have, sorry about that, my camera had cut off on me. But this is the next one. The door done flew open. But this size, I forgot what size they are. I'm going to leave in the description box the size. But this has the ivory too. And these come with, this one and the other one had the wax. The candles is this, and I definitely would keep the candles. And the candles have a 4-hour to come on. See here? It has on. And you got a 4-hour timer on them also. And this is not the dollar store wax candle. This is real wax. You could feel it and tell that it's real wax. Really nice. And they have some weight to them too. Both of them, all of them, they have some weight. The big one is really, really heavy. But I thought this was really nice. And I'm loving the lanterns, especially with the collaborations and learning how to do the funky bow. I haven't got that down, but learning all of that, and you could do so much with them, and I'm gonna fall in love with them. I even want to get some and put in my bedroom. But I really don't want the brown. The brown would probably be nice for outdoors, but for in here, I definitely would have to go with a gold or white, because that's what colors is going on. But this one is really heavy. This one is heavy. And see if you can see how large this one is. This is really large. Nice large lantern. And I know I would have to take the glass out, but they have the spots. I think I already checked, and they have the little clips in the back that I could take the glass. I know I would get my husband to help me. But, this one came with a real fat. This candle is really fat. And it's the same kind. And it also works. So I know I love my deals. That's where my name came from. I love a good deal. And this was a real good deal. And they are really nice. And this is, like I said, this is real wax. And this one has the ivory at the bottom. This one has the ivory at the bottom. It didn't have the ivory at the top. But it has the ivory in the bottom. So I haven't cleaned them up yet. And I thought these, let me cut this off. Yeah, I don't want it on the timer. Yeah, okay. It's off. And then it has a 4-hour timer. And let me see if I could show you the price. Let's see. They're tangled up in there. Can you see that? Price was $9.99. And it doesn't have one. But I'm so glad that he came and didn't just let me walk out the store with just the one when he know that they came as a set. So I am very pleased with those. Leave me a comment if you would. I sure appreciate it. What color you think would be pretty? The gold, it doesn't matter as far as gold or white. I just not really care for the brown. And I don't know whether to spray paint them, which way would come out better, with spray paint them or should I hand paint them. And I really wanted to come out right. So, but I probably would take my time, probably get my husband to help me. But like I said, I'm not no really great DIY person. Just take them apart and spray paint them, they fine. But leave me a comment below and let me know, you know, exactly what kind of paint would be great for the lantern. You know, whether chalk paint or just some type of Rust-Oleum will work, or let me know. I really appreciate it. But they are so nice. I love them. I've been really getting into these lanterns, and that was a really good deal. But that is the end. That is the, I told you I didn't have that many, and that is it. So that is the end of the video. That is all I have, but I wanted to share those things with you. I appreciate you all again for watching. Thank you so much for your continued support. I love you all. I will see you all on the next video. Bye bye.